Let's take a look at this question. Let's state the question first. What would be the total non-spendable fund balance? Well, before you answer the question, you need to know what is non-spendable fund balance. Well, non-spendable means you cannot spend it, you cannot use it, you cannot convert it to cash. Spendable means can you take it, spend it. It means can you convert it to cash to spend it? So things that cannot be converted to cash, what would that be under the fund balance? Well, I'll tell you. If you have any inventories, any supplies, any prepaid, those are used to operate the business, Therefore, I'm going to be looking for stuff that are used, not the business here, are used to operate the government. 69,000 of prepaid insurance. Would that be considered a part of operating the government? Of course. Why would you prepay for the insurance? You want to insure the vehicles, you want to insure the building in case something happened. I would say prepaid insurance is a non-spendable fund balance. 410,000 rainy fund approved by the township governing body with specific condition for its use. Well, for one thing, we can use it, we can spend it into cash, so that does not fit the non-spendable. We're going to see where this 410,000 fit under which fund balance. 1,800 of supplies inventory. I told you, if you're running the government, you need supplies, you need inventory. That's a non-spendable. You would use it. 60,000 state grant for snow removal. Well, we can use this, right? Because we can spend it, but for snow removal, it's not non-spendable. It is spendable. 150,000 contractual obligation for the purpose of equipment. We can use this cash to purchase equipment. Therefore, it's non-spendable. It's not non-spendable. It is spendable. Outstanding encumbrances of 105,000 for the purchase of furniture and expenditure. Well, furniture and fixture. Well, we are already committing this money to do something with it, or we're assigning this money to do something with it. Therefore, it's a spendable. Total fund balance, that's everything. So the only thing that's non-spendable or non-spendable fund balance is supplies and inventory, and that's going to give us $70,800. So you need to know what non-spendable balance. Think of non-spendable balance. Think of them as prepaid, supplies, inventory. That's what you want to be thinking about. And think about the word non-spendable. It means we're not going to use them. We're not going to use the cash to do something with it. We're going to use it for operational purposes. Okay, not convert it to cash.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.